Hi Tiffany, how you doing today?
Hi. All right.
You alright?
All right.
I understand you've been having some difficulty lately.
I don't want to call it difficulty.
No? What would you call it?
Uh, According to my husband, I'm having a little bit of trouble with anger or something like that. But to me, it's like,
Alright, so your husband believes you're having some trouble with anger?
my husband thinks so. But to me, I'm just fine. I may yell a little here and there at him, but he's a man. He should get over it. He's bigger than me, stronger than me. Look, it's the way I get my point across. It's what I gotta do sometimes.
Alright, so you feel like you have a relational style that doesn't match what he wants? Like you're yelling and he's not liking that?
It's how I communicate.
It's how you communicate.
If he's not happy with it, he's gonna have to deal with it.
Can you tell me about the yelling?
He says it's all the time.
Mm-hmm.
But to me, it's what I do. If I want him to take the trash out, I tell him to take the trash out. He says I yell at him. We get into a fight over it. Just an argument over it. Nothing serious. But he says it's for everything I do. Getting the kids ready for school. He says I yell at the kids. He says I can't make anything simple. I can't just make a simple request. He says I have to yell at him. I have to start a fight. I say, you should man up.
So you don't feel like you have a problem with yelling or anger or anything?
I don't think it's a problem, no.
Just the way you communicate?
It's the way I am.
Has it been causing you, it's been causing you some trouble with your husband. Any other trouble?
Mainly with the husband. I almost got into an argument with the neighbor, but we dealt with that. She told my husband. He agreed with her, and, well, he said I should get help.
Alright, so it's caused you some difficulties in that way.
To me, it's not a difficulty. For him, it's more of a difficulty for him than it is for me.
So you're really here today because he's asked you to come in?
I'm here. He's my husband, so I respect him. I want to make him happy, so I said I'll go.
Alright, but you're really not convinced that you have...
I don't see it as a problem.
Yeah.
He's more of the problem than I am.
He's convinced you're not.
I don't think I'm a problem. I don't think I have a problem. He says it's all the yelling and I need help and it's time I do something about it. I said, all right, fine, I'll go see about it.
Would your relationship be a little easier without the yelling?
For him it would be, I guess. But it may be. We could try it, I don't know. But it's hard, but it's what I do.
Can you tell me about some of the events that you think lead to the yelling?
He doesn't get what I'm trying to say.
Mm-hmm.
It could be something as he wants to do it his way. We could be driving. All right, no, honey, I said we want to go this way. Oh, wait, why are you going that way? No, look. And then we get into a fight in the car. Or, okay, honey, that's not how you do the dishes. It could be something as simple as that. No, you wash out. No, that's not how you do the dishes. It could be something like that. We get into an argument. It's just over the simplest things.
And in that argument, how do you find the distribution of like who's yelling? Or is it mostly you yelling or are you both yelling?
I feel like I have to yell to get my point across, but he's not 100% innocent in this either. I'm like, it's not my fault. Mm-hmm. I wouldn't have to yell if he listened the first time.
Do you ever find yourself planning to get into an argument, or is it more spontaneous?
Spontaneous. I wouldn't plan to get into an argument with him.
It just kind of happens when stress.
If he would listen, we wouldn't be fighting so much. Things are fine when he listens, but then it's just, I don't know what it is. The moment I try to tell him something, it just gets to me.
And that's what leads to the...
And we just start yelling, just start fighting.
Alright, so this has been causing you some distress.
I would say...
Mostly with that relationship. With
our relationship could be better.
Yeah.
If he would listen more, but yes.
Alright. Do you have any medical conditions?
Nope.
Do you ever use drugs or alcohol?
No, not alcoholic or drug addict or anything. If you're trying to say that, no.
Nothing like that. Do you have any other mental health history I should know about, like depression or anxiety or anything?
I am as healthy as a horse.
All right. Do you want to see a counselor here to work on the anger, yelling?
If it would make him happy. I told him I would see a counselor, so I will see a counselor.
Okay. So, if you're okay with it, I'll set you up with an appointment to see a counselor here, and they should be able to see you within a couple of days, and you can get started.
I guess I'm okay with it.
All right. Thanks, Tiffany.
All right.